it's John Link at Apache Village RV Center. That big beauty you see behind me back there is a 2026 Jayco Seismic 395 in the black and red full body paint. Just kind of wanted to give you a peek at this. So if you're searching for one and thinking about ordering full body paint, this is done in an off-site facility from the Jayco plant. It takes about 2.5 weeks to paint this unit. Man, is it gorgeous. So our customers drove all the way from Goshen, Indiana, very close to the Jayco plant, to come pick this up. We actually went to the 2025 Motocross Des Nations, which is the international motocross race. All the countries versus each other out there, had a great time. Ran into these wonderful folks in the campsite right next to us. We were also camping in a 395 Seismic, but a standard unit, not the full body paint. Ended up taking their trade over there, and they're bringing this beautiful beast back to Indiana. But if you're looking and kicking around the idea of getting a unit with full body paint, tons of benefits from that. You're protecting your investment. It looks outstanding, but this will not fade the same way fiberglass will with just a clear coat, or your decals will on a standard unit. And this is absolutely stunning looking. You got your triple axle here. Beautiful Sickens paint on this unit. If you look up close, they did a really good job kind of blending this red in with the silver and the black. It's all cut and buffed. Absolutely gorgeous. Coming straight from Jayco to Apache Village RV Center here, the #1 fifth wheel dealer in the nation right now for Jayco. And we sell these Seismics to folks all over the country. People come from near and far to buy these from us, just as they did. But if you're curious what this paint job looks like and you're thinking about ordering one, I'll also post a picture of the titanium. I had some other customers pick one up last week in the titanium body paint. I'll flash a picture up of that during the video. We've had both of these come through here just in the last couple weeks, and it looks outstanding with the black rims, the black on black with the red accent. Really, really, really nice paint job on this full body paint 395 Seismic. If you're thinking about order one, call us. We deliver them all over the country as well. Like I said, these folks decided to come on down and get the red carpet treatment from our service center and have their walkthrough done in person. They're in the middle of their orientation right now with Devin, who's going through every single function on this camper with them. But if you prefer to have one delivered, we deliver them everywhere. We've sold campers to someone in Alaska, Washington, Wisconsin, California, North Carolina, obviously Illinois, all over the Midwest. But as far as the East, West Coast, and we sold one to somebody in Alaska recently. So we're happy to deliver and do whatever we can to make sure you have a great buying experience. Go one better, go Apache Village. If you have questions or comments, comment below. Thank you and have a great day.